Hello everyone, welcome. Welcome to ioPUZZLE, the input-out puzzle, an open community of coders, makers and developers. I, Kunal Ambasta, welcomes you all. Well, the first question that you would like to ask is why ioPUZZLE? So ioPUZZLE is an open community of coders, makers and developers. And ioPUZZLE is engaged in taking the power of computing to each and everyone in the world. We are promised to deliver the best always at exactly no cost. ioPUZZLE is an always free coding initiative to empower people. At ioPUZZLE, anyone can learn coding through regular, always free coding session that we organize every day where you can get your doubts cleared instantly. So what are you waiting for? Join us today on YouTube at ioPUZZLE channel and visit us at www.iopuzzle.com. We are waiting for you. Now, the question is, what is programming? First of all, let me congratulate. Congratulations! You have finally decided to learn more about programming. You will always be proud of your decision. So what exactly the programming is? In simple language, programming is the process of preparing a set of instructions for your machine, or no doubt a computer, that tells your machine what to do, when to do, and how to do. Actually, using programming you can automate many tasks. And this is why you should learn programming. Many times you have heard about coding. But this may be your question, why should I learn how to code? Well, coding not just help you to solve a problem using your computer or automating some task on your computer, but it also helps your brain to improve problem solving skills and logical ability. It's really great, trust me. When you start writing codes, you become more logical. You start to understand the real world problem in a much better way. So everyone should know how to write the codes. So what are you waiting for? Let's get started. Now, you are going to ask some questions that will help you to decide why should you learn programming. Just ask yourself something. Let's get started. Do you want to solve any real world problem using your computer? Or do you want to automate some tasks that require more manpower and significant time? Or do you want to design a software or program? Or do you want to build a website or an engaging game? Or do you want to design your own artificially intelligent personal assistant for your complete home automation or computer vision system? Or do you want to build your own robots or IoTs or wearable devices like smartwatch? If you get yes as the answer of any of the above questions, trust me, you should start learning how to write a program instantly. Now, there is a question for the ioPUZZLE community. How can ioPUZZLE help you? Well, at ioPUZZLE you can start learning how to code from the level 0 through always free live coding sessions. We always provide small, easy to learn video tutorials where you can get your doubts cleared instantly and where you can learn how to write efficient codes. By joining ioPUZZLE, you are actually joining an always growing community of coders, makers and developers. So you will start getting support from the community whenever and wherever you want, or wherever you get stuck in your journey of learning or building something new from scratch. So what are you waiting for? Join ioPUZZLE today. We are eagerly waiting to welcome you to ioPUZZLE. You can join us through our official YouTube channel at www.youtube.com/ioPUZZLE, or you can visit us at iopuzzle.com. Please like, subscribe and share and be a part of this always growing community. Thank you so much. This is Kunal Ambasta. Have a great time.